Hello, everyone. Welcome to our presentation about our smartwatch. And in this presentation, we will go through the industry and competitive analysis. My teammates are Surbi and Anthony. So in the introduction, first, we will go through the external factors that affect our business. And then we will go through the comparative analysis and marketing positioning, and finally conclusion. Just to start, as our product is so unique and special, and we have a really sensitive target audience, so our external factors will have some different effects on our business. So for next slide, so we will go through this.
Hello everyone. So we'll be looking at the pestle analysis for the company. Now the pestle analysis majorly looks at the external environments that can affect the business. To start with, let's look at the political factors. Now the AI research and development has been one of the major growing industries in Canada. And due to this, Canadian government has been giving a lot of grants and loans to new business ventures and to new business development, AI research and development. Which is a good point for us. Then let's look at environmental factors. Now, recycling is adapted by many companies nowadays. This is to majorly promote CSR. Endorsing recycled plastic straps will improve inclusive business practices and also contribute to reducing the plastic production in the country. Then the next is social factors. Now, as our target market is the baby boomers, which is a majority of population in Canada. It provides a sense of safety and security, which in turn develops a feeling of independence and freedom for the older generation to roam by themselves and not be dependent on others. Then technological factors. Well, Canada, as I previously mentioned, is one of the leading countries in AI development. It has a lot of renowned research centers like the Montreal Institute for Learning Algorithms and the Alberta Machine Intelligence Institute. Now, these research centers run deep learning strategies for technological developments. So yeah, Canada is one of the major leading countries in that. Looking at legal factors, well, one thing is that we need to um, achieve different provincial and federal licenses and permissions to start an AI-driven company. And also collecting a customer's medical history needs to be done under ethical regulations. The last one is economic factors. Well, AI industry has a significant contribution to global economic development, and different factors like availability of jobs and uh, global economic output is majorly benefited by development of artificial intelligence industry. Now let's look at the Potter's 5+1 forces. First one being threat of new entrants. Now the innovation and development in the AI industry encourages an increased possibility of new entrants in the market. Um, However, the low price strategy and catering to the niche market of senior citizens can still give us an upper hand. Second is bargaining power of buyers. Well, in a market where there are so many options available, obviously the bargaining power is in the hands of the buyers, as they can look for better features and lower prices. The next is bargaining power of suppliers. Well, in technological industry, major of the raw material is bought from different suppliers. So the suppliers have the power in their hand to aim at higher prices, which can affect the overall profitability for the company. Then threat of substitute products and services. Now there are different products available when it comes to smart watches. A strong value proposition with unique features can increase the threat of substitute products and services. So we need to aim at better features and a good value proposition. Then rivalry among the existing competitors. Now the technological instruments industry is very competitive because of the continuous development of strategies and prototypes. So this encourages a severe rivalry for CPR's smartwatches. Last one is regulatory constraints of government. Now, technology innovations have increased tremendously during the last decade, and due to this, government regulations have been checking each prototype and design, which can in turn slow down the development of new products for CPR. The next is SWOT analysis will be taken over by Anthony.
Yeah, so when we will have a look at the SWOT analysis that CPR faces. So when we talk about strengths, the major strength that CPR has is the simplicity of AI. So we are having AI in the hands of the senior citizens, where and it is a simple to use and they are more user friendly. When we talk about the environmentally friendly straps, it is something that we are promoting. We are promoting the lesser use of production of plastic. Um, Helpful for elder seniors. So now when we talk about seniors in Canada, there are a lot of seniors who stay alone or they stay isolated. So it is helpful for those people who are worried about their health because they don't have anyone when they are in need of someone. And then it's price efficient, because when we talk about the prices, we know that a lot of health watches and smart watches are expensive, and the seniors are not very comfortable spending that much. Integrated emergency calls. So when we talk about the one major service that we are providing is the emergency calls to a 911 and the closed ones when in need of an emergency, and helps elders to be more alert to their health. The weakness is that it's difficult to convince the senior citizens to adopt artificial intelligence into their lives. There's a difficult it is a difficult task to create a brand awareness, and less integration of services, in the sense that it is a smartwatch that does not have a lot of services integrated. It is simple, so it could be a weakness for us as well. And discomfort of sharing. When we talk about recording medical information, there are a lot of people who find discomfort in it. Opportunities would be that there's a collaboration with a lot of old age communities and old age homes that can be benefited. More options available. So when the seniors are comfortable with AI, you can make more customization, exploiting the niche market. So when we talked about how niche the market is and the seniors in the society, it's a very niche market which can be exploited. And having brand endorsements through gyms and fitness centers, where a lot of old people who want to stay fit can be made aware of CPR. The threats are basically the better recognized companies like Apple and Fitbit, who have a lot of different technology. Privacy issues can lead to customers losing trust, and the technological advances could hurt us if we are not adapted to it. So the next slide would be the comparative analysis of value proposition. So it is divided into three. It's a must-haves, delighters, and the performers. So when we talk about a must-have in a health watch, there has to be a pulse tracker. It has to be simple to use for CPR. Apple Health watches have an integrated technology that backs them up, and Fitbit has a long battery life and it's comfortable. When we talk about performers, it is some things that we are hoping that it has. So it is fast charging, it has waterproofing, and medicine reminders for CPR. Apple Health Watch records their health in your iPhone, and it even records your sleep patterns. And Fitbit has customization and GPS trackers, to name a few. When you talk about delighters, we have the emergency calls to nearest clinics, which is a great delight and relief. Environmental friendly straps. Apple has the fall detection. So if a senior has fallen to the ground, it detects that, okay, there was a fall that was there. Irregular rhythm notification, and a medical ID that has your normal information that you can, show to any clinic. Fitbit has contactless payments, so it has integration with a lot of banks, and which helps them, to pay without contact, and active zone minutes. So it also decides on. You can also make a decision on how many active minutes do you want in a day, and it helps you track that. And you can even have your music to it. So now we would like to focus on the marketing aspect, and I would hand it over to Priya.
Okay, thank you. Okay, so going for pricing strategy, first of all, we would definitely choose the premium strategy, as our product is so beneficial to the seniors in Canada, and we are targeting people who really need our product, and they will benefit from our product a lot. And the services that we are providing and adding and integrating into this physical watch will make it more valuable than the competitors. So first of all, we need to know what is our main product and what is what are our main segment. So our main product is an AI-driven watch with an integrated service. And what about our segment? Our main segment is seniors in Canada who are more than 55. So to get this segment more, there are some interesting data. First of all, the seniors more than 65, they are the fastest growing, and by 2026, their population will comprise 25% of the total population. And then second statistics is that people with more than 75 years old, they are less than 7% of the population, but they are holding 1/3, 33% of the total financial assets in Canada. So they are really rich. And also the government now is paying annually to the seniors $45,000, while on the other side paying just $12,000 to people less than 55. So the last one is that by 2021, the population of seniors will be more than the population of youngsters and children less than 14. So as you can see, our target audience are really rich, and the population is growing, and they are hoping for more longevity in Canada based on the statistics. So for going through the advertising channels, there are some fruitful data that are shown here. As you can see, first of all, one of them, our main marketing channels would be the B2B parts, like care centers, because they are increasing because of the aging population. And then 56% of the seniors who are online are Facebook users in Canada. And this number is increasing annually. And also 17% of the population, senior population, are using Pinterest. 21% are using LinkedIn. It shows that how they hope for more activities and being active and having a social lifestyle. And on the other hand, they are active weekly for 43 hours on desktop rather than mobile. So it shows that we have to target desktop more. And also the main reason that they are active and they are online is staying in touch with their family. And finally, they use tablets and e-readers. So they are the advertising channels. Finally, for conclusion, our brand will explore for more innovations, and this will not be enough for us. And second, we will have a continuous and regular environment scanning, because the competition is really high in this industry, and we need to keep our service at the highest level. And third, our potential for being a game changer is really high. So we will continue to be a game changer. And also Regarding the aging population, all of our marketing strategies will be different and customizable for that special category. And at the end, to blend safety, AI and simplicity in the lives of senior citizens would be phenomenal and purposeful. Thank you, everyone.